Minute Make time!
Ooh, it's Minute Make time! Here's what we're going to make today, a super sock creature. To make a sock creature, you will need a long, colourful sock, a pair of scissors, a black pen, some white stickers, and an old empty plastic bottle. Now, you might want to get an adult to help you find one of these and clean it out. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Put a sock in it, Tocky. I'm just kidding. You can cheer me on. And you can cheer me on too. I'm going to have to be very quick, but don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready? Let's make it in a minute.
Start the sock.
Yes, very funny. Right, let's get our bottle and then our long sock and start rolling it up. There we go. Up it goes as quick as we can. Now, when it's all rolled up, we're going to feed it very carefully onto the bottle like that. There we go. Brill, there it is. Great. There we go. Now, if we pull the toe out, we can make snips very carefully in the end. There's one. There's two. Now, these are going to be the hair.
Halfway!
There's another bit there. Another snip. Fantastic. And now I'm going to tie these two end ones like this. Round and round they go. Brilliant. That makes the hair, and that heel bit makes his mouth. Now, if I get two white stickers and draw dots on them, these are going to be the eyes. Let's stick them on. There's one eye, and there's the other eye. There, I've done it!
Only just!
And if you've got more than a minute, you can try different coloured sock creatures with different socks. Look at this one here. It's got different coloured stripes.
Or you could use a small sock and a small bottle to make a little sock creature.
Sock creatures made in a minute. Why don't you try making one? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Slide a sock over a bottle, cut the top of the sock into strips, and then tie them together. Give it eyes using white stickers with black dots on, and your crazy sock creature is finished.
Why don't you try making it in a minute?